When you solve simultaneous, you are going to be given two sets of equations. Now, the two sets of equations, you are going to go and name them. Equation number 1. I'm going to name this one equation number 1. I'm going to name this one equation number 1, number 2. And then you look at these two equations. You say between the two of them, which one seems to be simple between the two of them? By just looking. Equation 1 seems to be simple. Yeah? I'm going to take equation number 1 and write it here and say I have 2x minus y, which is going to be equal to what? 17. Now, I can either make x or y the subject, meaning which my answer should either be saying x is equaling to or y is equaling to. Between x and y, which one seems to be simple to make the subject here when we think about it? We make y. Ne? Now, we want y to remain alone. Now, for some learners, if it's still not keen, guys, you rather do this. You rather take the 2 to this other side. And if you take the 2 to this other side, what are you going to be remaining with? You're going to be remaining with minus 1, which is going to be 17 minus 2x. But remember, you don't want minus y, you want what? So how do you get the y? You divide everything by what? By negative. So you divide by minus 1, you divide by minus 1, you divide by what? By minus 1. So what are you going to get as your final answer? It says y is equal to 2x minus 17. That's one way in which you could have done this thing. Eh? If your math is clean, by now your math is a little bit cleaner. You can do this. You can jump straight and say, I'm going to take this y to this other side and take 17 to this other side. Do it at the same time. No? So what am I going to have? I am going to have y, which is negative. When it jumps the equal sign, it becomes what? Positive. I still have 2, which is positive. So I have 2x. Take the 17 to this other side, it becomes what? Minus 7. It doesn't matter. I'm still going to get 1 mark for this. We call this one equation number what? Number 3. Okay, what are you going to do with equation 3? We are going to sub 3 into. It can't go back to 1. It needs to go to the one that we've been used, which is what? Which is 2. Yeah, let's go and check our equation there. On our equation, we have y. Where is y? Y is here. So where I see y, what am I going to put? I am going to put this thing here. So I have 4. I have what? X minus 17 plus 3x, which is going to be what? Simplify this. You get what? 8x. 8x minus 4. 68 plus 8x. Like times, huh? You have 8, it gives us 11. 11x, which is going to be 77. 11 x is equal to. We give you a mark for this one. We give you a mark for something there. Yeah? We are left with one last mark. No? Sometimes learners they stop here. You don't stop here. You need to go and get y. How to get y? You go and substitute on equation number 3. No? You come and put 7 here. 2 multiplied by 7. It says which y is going to be minus 3. Yeah, and then we give you a mark for y is equal to what? Minus 3.